आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, the question is find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, pi by 4 whose differential equation is sin x into cos y dx plus cos x into sin y dy is equals to 0. Okay, so we are given the differential equation as sin x into cos y dx plus cos x into sin y dy is equals to 0. So firstly what I'll do is I'll separate the variables. So I'll write this as sin x cos y dx is equals to minus of cos x sin y dy. Now on separating the variables, what I'll get is sin x upon cos x dx is equals to minus sin y divided by cos y dy. Okay, now this will become sin theta. Using trigonometry, what we know is that tan x is nothing but equals to sin x upon cos x. Okay, yeah, so I'll write this as tan x dx is equals to minus tan y dy. Now I have already separated the variables. So what I'll do is I'll just integrate both these sides. So integrating both sides. Alright, so what I'll get is integral of tan x dx is equals to minus integral of tan y dy. Now again, one important integration formula, which is integration of tan x. This is equals to ln mod of sec x plus c. Alright, so using this formula, what I'll get here is ln mod of sec x is equals to minus ln mod of sec y plus some constant. Okay, so what I'll assume is that constant is equals to c. So let's say plus some c. So taking this minus ln sec y to the left hand side, I'll get ln mod of sec x plus ln mod of sec y is equals to c. Now we know the property of log, which is ln a plus ln b, and this will be equal to a into b. This will get multiplied. Okay, yeah, so what I'll get here is ln sec x into sec y is equals to this constant c. Okay, yeah, now again what I can do is I can just simply put sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta. So what I'll do is I'll put this as 1 upon cos x into 1 upon cos y is equals to c. Okay, so this becomes ln mod of 1 upon cos x into cos y is equals to c. Now if I want this in reciprocal, if I'll reciprocal this, then one minus will come outside this log. So I'll write it as minus ln mod of cos x cos y is equals to c. Okay, yeah, or I can simply write this as ln mod of cos x into cos y is equals to minus c. Now this is the general solution. Alright, this is what we are getting is the general solution. Okay, this is the general solution. Now, but in the question it is asked that we need to find the particular solution. Okay, and this curve, this is passing through the point 0 comma pi by 4. So what I'll do is put 0 comma pi by 4 since this curve is passing through this point. Okay, so putting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to pi by 4. So what this will become? ln mod of cos 0 into cos pi by 4 is equals to minus c. Okay, yeah. So again what this will become? ln mod of cos 0 is 1 multiplied by cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, so what I'll get is ln 1 by root 2 is equals to minus c, or the value of c is coming out to be minus ln 1 by root 2. Yeah, now what we can do is just simply put this value of c, this value of constant, in this given general solution for getting the particular solution. So what this will become is ln mod of cos x into cos y is equals to minus c, which means minus of minus ln 1 by root 2. So it will become ln 1 by root 2. Okay. Yeah. So now this ln and ln from the left hand side and right hand side will cancel each other. So this will become cos x into cos y is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, or I can write this as cos y is equals to 1 upon cos x root 2 times cos x, and 1 upon cos x is sin x. So finally I'll write this as 1 upon cos x is sec x. So I'll write this as cos y is equals to sec x upon root 2. Okay. So this is how we have solved this differential equation, and we have got the particular solution as cos y is equals to sec x divided by root 2. Thanks for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।